Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with StreetEasy for NYC-style insights, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To connect with StreetEasy for NYC-style insights, start by visiting the StreetEasy website. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the area or neighborhood in New York City that interests you. Press the search icon to display property listings and insights related to your query. Explore the filters on the left side of the page to refine your search. You can filter by price, number of bedrooms, and property types. Once you've applied your filters, browse through the listings presented. Click on any property to view detailed information, including photos, descriptions, and neighborhood statistics. To access market insights, scroll to the section titled Market Trends. Here, you will find valuable data on pricing trends and rental rates in the selected area. Additionally, you can utilize the Neighborhoods tab to explore different neighborhoods in New York City. Clicking on a neighborhood will reveal average rent and sale. To receive updates, consider creating an account on StreetEasy. Register by clicking on the Join button in the top right corner. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once you're logged in, you can save searches and set up alerts for new listings. Take advantage of the StreetEasy blog for expert advice and city living tips. Navigate to the blog section for articles covering various real estate topics. Engage with StreetEasy on social media platforms for real-time insights and community discussions. Follow their accounts to stay informed about market changes and events. By using these tools, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the NYC real estate market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.